What's going on, guys? Welcome to the next video. This video is going to be a really good one for you guys to understand. I built this visual, amazing graphics, I know. Looks basically like a triangle. It is a triangle, but I did it to show you guys the different levels of difficulty in installations. So let's look at level one. Level one is all the cars I would recommend you guys start with. These are your Hondas, Toyotas, Nissan Altimas, F-150, Chevy Silverado, Toyota Tacoma. These are all jobs that I highly recommend you start with. You're gonna still struggle with them, but not as much as level two. Level two is going to be your frameless cars, your tighter back windows, smaller quarter panels like the WRX, tighter seals like the Kia, where you got to either pop the panel or remove the gasket. Hyundai Sonata as well, pop the panels, remove the gasket. Level three would be your Tesla, Model 3, Model Y, Model S, all Teslas essentially. BMWs are hard, very hard. Mercedes are always hard. Then we've got level four, Porsche, Range Rover, Audi, and Rolls-Royce. I've only ever seen one of these at the shop. So stay here for the first portion of your training until you feel like you can do these within 2 hours. Then you want to move on to these. I would say you could still do this, like level one and level two, you could stay here, but I would always try to book like level one jobs. If you can, book level twos. These are just going to take you more time. These are very easy. These are going to take more time. Level three, I would stay away from level three and level four for your first 6 months, guys, to be honest. If you want to have a hard time, jump on these. I would wait till you have a plotter. I would actually wait till you have a plotter even for level two. But yeah, this gives you a good idea of what's hard, what's not hard, and try to stick to this when you're accepting jobs and doing quotes. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.